Today we will see how AWS Research and Engineering Studio, also known as RES, enables frictionless workloads for scientific computing. It is an AWS-managed solution designed to provide researchers, scientists, and engineers with secure, on-demand virtual desktops and collaborative environments for high-performance computing and data-intensive workloads. In this video, you will see that the researcher logs into RES portal and uses an Ansys interactive workspace and submits a job to the PCS cluster and then visualizes the outputs using ParaView. This is the architecture of the setup used in this video. In this section, you will see how the researcher uses a pre-configured Ansys desktop to run a quick analysis. The researcher logs into the RES portal using their Azure credentials. The researcher has access to multiple projects and already has some interactive workspaces provisioned. Now we will connect to an Ansys interactive workspace. As you can see here, a high-performing AWS FSx for NetApp OnTap file system is mounted for data. Now the researcher will run an Ansys simulation on the workspace by utilizing an available license. In this section, the researcher will use a PCS cluster from within the workspace to submit a job, and then view the outputs in a visualization node using ParaView software. The researcher will log into the cluster head node using SSH and create a job file, and then submit the job to a queue called the synth queue, which has an active compute group. Once the job is complete, the output files are saved to the OnTap file system. The researcher now connects to a visualization node pre-configured with ParaView application. The output files saved into the file system are open to visualize. Once the visualization process is complete, the output image is then saved back to the file system. The highlight of this integration is that RES unifies interactive desktops and HPC jobs in a single environment, enabling researchers to seamlessly move from design to simulation to visualization, all in the cloud. On the right side of the screen you can see researcher using the Ansys software, and on the left you can see the outputs from the OpenFOAM job being visualized. A quick recap of what we saw in the video. With RES and PCS, scientific users accelerate their workflows, reducing time to discovery, while keeping everything secure and scalable in the cloud. For more information, contact us at marketing@relevancelab.com.